Okay, so whenever we're on a commercial building and we're cleaning it, we always need to cover this fire alarm, and also we need to seal off and tape the edges around the box here as well. They're really sensitive to chem, and they can go off. It can trigger it and trigger it off and sensor it. So to make sure we cover this with plastic and that we seal around the edges too, so no water as it runs down the wall sets this off as well.